Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam. Guys, it's a great time to be alive. And guys and gals, we got a huge show. Looks like Elon Musk and Elizabeth Warren, the angry granny in the house, are going toe-to-toe on social media. And Elizabeth Warren, she's actually paying for Facebook ads to go after Elon Musk in the house. I guess she's looking to try to get reelected or something like that. So this is interesting news in the house, guys. We're going to talk about that. Also got some bullish on-chain data from TechDev. We're going to do a weekly roundup of Bitcoin. You know, you're seeing that the bears and the bulls, right now you can see that the sentiment is almost 50-50 in terms of technical analysis. I still firmly believe that we're going to see at least a $75,000 incoming Bitcoin very soon. We're also going to talk about the moon phase. Looks like we got a full moon coming soon. You know what that means? It means things could be going down. Full moon fever in the house, guys. So watch out. Crypto often goes down when the full moon is here. So we just had the CME futures gap has finished, guys. So that's really cool news in the house, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. It's Saturday evening here in Vietnam, and it's my day off. Thank goodness. It's been a huge week. We've got a resort. We're trying to reopen again after the whole virus situation. So we're trying to get that happening, and so I'm down here trying to get it open. And it's it's not easy, guys. It's absolutely not easy. No one's faced this kind of thing before, but I'm hanging in there, guys. So getting back to crypto, we're seeing that everything's looking pretty down, but it's coming up from where it was earlier today when I released my first video. People are like panicking, running to the moon. So things are getting better, guys, and I believe that we will be seeing a $75,000 Bitcoin coming soon. All the all the macro indicators and the macroeconomic indicators and all the fundamentals are showing that we should see at least one more minimum blast off. Some people are even saying that we could even hit the cycle top by June, and that we could see $150,000-$200,000 coming in by June. So who knows, guys? This is just a crazy bull run, guys. Nobody knows when it's going to stop. Nobody knows when it's going to go down, because it's just so different. This bull run has been a bit of a Debbie Downer in terms of we're expecting a lot more, but we're not there. We saw a top of about 69,000. Some people are calling 69,000 that's the top route here, and we're going to go down. I don't believe so. I still think we've got some gas in the tank. I still think we've got enough gas in the tank to hit at least one more all-time high, guys. So if you believe that, go down there, smash the likes right now, show some love at OG, show some Christmas spirit, smash the likes. And guys and gals, if you're watching this for the first time, go down there, subscribe, YB in the house, and don't forget to comment. And if you're a subscriber, guys, become a member, guys. Become a VIP member. Become a channel supporter, guys. And we got this beautiful private WhatsApp group, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. We got hundreds and hundreds of messages. We're out there supporting each other, guys. We're out there showing love and giving people some support in the chat, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's jump into the content, guys. And don't forget to go back and watch all the other huge videos. We got this warning mega dip, and this is about full moon fever. Full moon fever in effect, guys. Remember, this is absolutely not financial advice. I gotta keep saying that. So let's just take a look at the big news right now. We see Elon Musk believes crypto hating angry granny in the house. You know what she wants? She's just been going cuckoo. She's just been going after Musk. She's been declaring war. So Senator Warren, she's buying ads. Well, the angry granny in the house. She's buying ads on Facebook to promote her post. Bashing Elon Musk and asking people to pay her $10 to bash, guys. She's literally asking people to give her $10 while claiming Elon is scared of her. So this is the article. This is the post that she put on Facebook, and she's saying, freeloading billionaire made over $200 billion during the you know what I mean. I don't want to say this because I don't want to get the AI after me, guys. And again, that can be problematic. Void taxes. It's time for a wealth tax. So, and she's saying, chip in, guys. So come on. So the Musk are in the house. He's saying, this is such a deeply messed up lie to the American people. She is the one freeloading off the taxpayers. So she's saying that the angry granny is absolutely freeloading off the taxpayers. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think? You think that Elon Musk is avoiding taxes and that he's the freeloader, or do you think the angry granny is a freeloader? What do you guys think? So, and he's been saying, while I've been paying the largest amount of tax of any individual in history. So it actually is true that he's been paying a huge amount of tax, guys. Is the angry granny really somebody we want as a U.S. senator, guys? So it's just crazy, guys. It's just crazy. And then this guy went on to kind of give some facts. This is from David Lee, right? And he's saying, she's up for re-election and all this kind of stuff. And the state of Massachusetts deserves somebody better, guys. So what do you guys think? Who's going to win this contest? Is it going to be, is it going to be Elon or is it going to be Angry Granny, right? And here's another one. Let's change the rig tax code so the person of the year will actually pay the taxes and stop freeloading. Come on. So what do you guys think? You think Elon's freeloading, who's the freeloader here, guys? So I just thought that was kind of a funny story, guys. So the war of thrones between the Musker and the Angry Granny, it started. Let's get it. Who's gonna win? Smash the comments, smash the likes. Tell me who's gonna win now. And I just thought it's kind of funny out there. So if you look at the weekly Bitcoin metrics overview, we can see right now that. The overall poll right now is that we have, bullish at 53, 43K are bearish. So this is the poll. So 53,000 people on this poll did say that they believe that Bitcoin is going to move up a bullish. 43,000 said no. So we're seeing that supply and demand has an ongoing downtrend in exchange reserves. So we're seeing that, the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is down. The technical oscillators in a weekly time frame, it seems bearish. Whale accumulation, miners are still holding. So miners are still holding like crazy. And normally when the miners are still holding, that means they're expecting a huge price increase, guys. And we're seeing the market sentiment. Futures market seems to still overheated if you see the estimated leverage ratio. So on-chain indicators, no significant variables in the on-chain indicators, guys. So really, it's kind of like 50-50 right now. So we're seeing supply and demand. Exchange balances are low. Stable coins ratio is low. The SSR is low. So we're seeing a lot of interesting stuff. We're seeing that the miners are still holding on to the crypto. And typically when miners are still holding on to the Bitcoins, it's positive, guys. I said that already. I'll tell it again. So some other stuff here. We got... these are some of the common mistakes that a lot of traders make. Crypto traders make this mistake. They have no trading plan. A lot of you just buy because, they saw a post on Twitter. Oh, it looks good. I'll buy it. So you have no trading plan. A lot of the newbies, they're over leveraged, don't understand what leverage is, get wrecked. They don't set targets. I know a lot of you watching this, you don't set targets. You don't set sell targets. I have simple sell targets. When anything I buy goes up 200%, I sell 30%. And when it goes up 400%, I sell the balance, leave 10%. That's how I do it. Poor mentorship. A lot of you have poor mentors, or they're watching crazy hype YouTube channels that they just say everything's going to the moon forever. Woo, everything's going to the moon. Woo, everything's going to the moon, guys. Well, the OG in the house, I like to keep it real. The Ric Flair of crypto likes to keep it real for my peeps out there. And if I tell you something's a crappy project, I'm going to tell you it's a crappy project. And I'm telling you right now, I believe, based on my experience, based on the macroeconomics, based on the fundamentals, this bull run is not done. We're still not turned bearish yet. I believe that this is a consolidation. The data, the technical data is still pointing that there's going to be a breakout. I believe there's going to be a breakout. This could be the last breakout to the next all-time high, and I think the breakout's going to be 75K. That's what I think. You may disagree. Smash the likes. Hit me up in a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, guys. This is also another big problem. A lot of traders out there have a huge amount of emotions and greed. They're like greedy. And what happens is a lot of traders, they're in huge profits, but they don't take the profits because they think it's going to go up forever. They think it's like going up forever. Crypto don't do that. let me tell you, it goes through cycles, guys. It goes through boom and bust, boom and bust, boom and bust. You got to learn to take your profits. And then a lot of knuckleheads out there, what they do is when they see suddenly a crypto project going like this to the moon, what the knuckleheads do is they buy at the top, they FOMO in, because they say, yeah, this is going to the moon, guys. This is going to the moon and Mars and beyond. I better jump in. And what happens is they get wrecked. They don't get wrecked. They get holding a whole bag of nothing, and then they got to wait for 100 years for this thing to pop off again for them to get the money back. And then they end up becoming Debbie Downers, whining and moaning to everybody in the world and their granny that they're not happy, but and they want to blame everybody. I mean, I see it in my live stream. You get people who just don't know what they're doing, and then they get mad at people that know what they're doing. They get mad at people who have a trading plan. They get mad at people that don't leverage trade like the OG. They get mad at people like me and others who set targets. They get mad because they listen to the wrong person, and then when they start watching the OG channel and the OG starts speaking power to the truth, God to the truth, then they get mad at me because they just got sour grapes because they didn't ape into my channel before they bought their crap coins, and they become, salty downer, Debbie Downers. And then a lot of the, the newbies out there, they all suffer from emotion and greed, and they get so greedy that they get blinded by the greed. They get blinded by the dollar signs, and then they end up losing a ton of money, guys. Because remember, crypto is a zero-sum game. Zero-sum gain. It means if I win, it means you losing out there, guys. So that's all I got to say about that. So you can hate on the OG, but I'm just telling like it is. Power to the truth, guys. Truth to power. Truth to power. You know what I'm talking about out there. Some of you don't like it. Too bad. That's too bad for you, because guess what? The world ain't a perfect place, guys. So this is from Tech Dev right now, and this is really good, guys. And I did touch on this previously, but Tech Dev, I love Tech Dev. He's the guru, the TA guru in the house, the Tech Dev in the house. Last time Bitcoin on a 3-day candle print looks this bad was about here. So last time that we had all these, this is on the 50-week SMA, right? By the way, just in case. So the last time we saw, 3 bad candles in a row in a 50-week SMA was way back here when Bitcoin was at about 29,000. And look what happened after that. These 3, after Bitcoin went below the 50-week SMA, it bounced back huge, and then we had this huge run up to $51,000. So what I'm saying is that we're seeing that Bitcoin is right now just below the 51-day 50-week SMA. And we're seeing that we had these 3 candles. Now it's turning green. And this looks like we could have a huge impulse, and that is going to take us up to 75,000. So if we measure the top to the bottom of that and trans-oscillate that over here, and transpose that over there, we're going to see 75K. And I think 75K is coming in. And look at the 14-day RSI close. We're seeing a very similar pattern, guys, right here, right now. I'm feeling happy in the house because I know my biddy is going to 75K. So all the Debbie Downers who want to scream and yell and say the OG don't nothing, bring it on. Bring it, guys. I love it. Bring it on. Smash the dislike, smack down on the dislike, guys. But, power to the truth, guys. The OG only telling the truth out here. You know it, I know it, get it. And don't forget to go down if you're watching and you love the OG and you love the truth. Don't forget to go and smash the likes. Super chatty, Waddy in the house. Show some love. Merry Christmas, everybody out there. Woo! Guys and gals, so we're seeing the top 10 mentions on Twitter right now. We're seeing my Biddy Charles, we're seeing Ethereum, we're seeing Solana. The Dogecoin is looking like the popular Dogecoin's outpacing the Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is just going blah right now. And sorry for the Shiba Weebies out there, but that's life in the big city. You can't be number one all the time, guys. Harmony's picking up, guys, so ADA in the house. And XRP, Polygon, and Polkadot. So, guys and gals, that's what people are talking about. People are put into that. And fear and greed's at 24. Remember, this is a contradictive indicator. So what you want to be doing is doing the opposite of this. Buying the dippy dips, guys. 75K is coming in. And this is not hype, guys. This is what the OG believes it's coming, guys. So we're seeing that Tether has seen massive increase of supply and exchanges. And, and showing increased buying power from traders. So you're seeing that a lot of people are, moving a huge amount of huge amount of stable coins, US Tether, onto exchanges because they are going to start buying the dippy dip like crazy, guys. So we're seeing that the stable coins and exchanges have risen to 22.5%, which is the highest level in over 6 months. This amount of supply converts to $8.9 billion, guys, indicating a rising level of buying power on exchanges, guys. So I think what's going to happen is people are waiting for the dips, guys, and they're going to start buying like crazy, guys. So I think, we're going to see our final dippy dips in the next 2 or 3 days. There's going to be a mega dip when that full moon hits, guys. There's going to be a whole bunch of negative FUD, and I think Biddy could go down to 42K. People are going to panic, guys. I tell you, people are going to panic. It's going to be funny because I'm going to be sitting back, drinking coffee, watching the pandemonium in the house when all the retail Nancys, the retail Joes start panicking, wetting the bed, and then there's going to be me and others in my community who are the smart investors, the smart guys out there. They're going to be going gobble, 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 and we're going to buy up those biddies at 42K, and then we're going to unload them at 75K, and by that time it's going to be too late because when it hits 75K, we're going to have a huge cascading liquidation fall, and it's going to take it right back down to 40K. Boom, then we might have a dead cat bounce back up to 42, and then we could be going down to like 30K, and that's where we're gonna stay until 2022. Sure, we're gonna have some ups and downs, but that's where it's gonna go down to 30, 24K. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. You think the OG is crazy, but watch and wait. Watch and wait, guys. So it looks like here the Bitcoin bears lack the cojones to continue selling in 2022. So this article is really saying that basically we're going to see a bounce to about 75K because the bears are kind of going to give up. But then we're going to see that whereas the bulls have been cautious, bears have been taken to aggression, pushing perpetual basis negative on virtual and building open interest, while the larger players who de-risk into 60K area. So we did see a lot of the smart money did sell around about the 60K area, and we're seeing right now, despite narratives arguing otherwise, the future for Bitcoin bears therefore is likely not nearly as exciting as the start of the month. So we're going to see, I believe that the party is about to get started, guys, and we're going to see a huge rise to the upside, guys, absolutely, and all the data and the fundamentals point to that, guys. So without further delay, let's take a look at the Biddy price in the house right now. So Biddy right now is 47,252. It's 21-day EMA, and we're about to have a full moon that's going to flash, guys. The full moon, guys, and you know what that means? It means full moon fever, right, guys? And we could see the dips. So let's take a look at the Biddy on the 4-hour chart. Let me get my face out. My face is always in the way. I'm blocking the business. So right now we got a little bit of a nice candle, but the volumes are like pitiful right now. And we're seeing that Biddy's at 47,235. So guys, we could expect sideways trading, maybe a bit more of a dip as a full moon comes in. And once that full moon is over, guys, we're gonna blast off, guys. We're gonna be blasting off. Let's take a look at the Doja Woja in the house right now. So the Doja Woja right now is at 1729, and basically we're just waiting for the Biddy to take off. And I think that Biddy's gonna be taking off pretty soon, guys. Let me get my face out there. And there we are, guys. And so let's take a look at the Shibi Weeby. So Dogecoin is up like 1.65%, and the Shibi Weeby is not doing too good right now. It's at 31 in the house. I told you guys it was going to break down, guys. So it's breaking it down. This has to go red, ping. And so just keep an eye on that. We got this new descending wedgie that's going down over here right now, and it's not looking too good for the Shibi Weeby right now in the house, guys. Come on already, come on. Let me get my face out of it. I'm just messing with my chart live here in this video, guys and gals. So you can see here we got 3 touching points, and it looks like we could see the Shibi Weeby kind of descending in this range, and we got some huge support around here, that area here. And then our next support level is around about here. So let me just save that so we don't lose it again. We'll call this a Shiba Inu. There, it's safe. So it looks not looking too good right now for Shiba Inu. We got this. This is kind of a support channel here. I believe this is a support channel here. This is resistance. So, you know, I think that you're going to see Shiba Inu trading inside this range. If we get supported here, then we could have an opportunity to bounce to the upside and hopefully retest this resistance area here at 33. So if not, if we don't bounce back up, then we're probably going to be going down in this direction. And then we got some major support around here. So let's see how that pans out for the Shiba Inu. Shiba Weeby Bibi, Bibi Bibi, Baba Baba. So here we got Doji Woji again on the 4-hour chart. Let me get this chart and make it a little bit cleaner. So it looks like Dogecoin right now is at 1728 in the 4-hour on the daily on the Binance. And it looks like it's just trying to, you know, claw its way back up to 18 cents, guys. So let's hopefully that happens. Let's take a look at the Ethereum now. So Ethereum right now is just below $4,000. And I think we could get up there, but I still think we got this whole full moon thing that could be a Debbie Downer and bring it down. So we're all waiting, guys. We're all waiting on the biddy. So I called exactly as I called it for Solana. We're basically forming this pattern here, and we're going to be moving on up. And I believe they're going to be retesting 200, and we'll probably see $200 coming in around just before Christmas, guys, or earlier. And I think that we're going to see that 75K coming in for Bitcoin probably just after Christmas, a couple of days after Christmas. We're going to see the huge explosion to the upside. And Solana is trading at 179, 180 right now, so that's not too bad in the house, guys. So we're seeing for Matic. Matic is actually forming pretty similar pattern to Solana, but Matic's doing pretty good considering Biddy's down right now. And we're seeing that Matic is at $2.20 in the house. And we got some huge support around here, and I think we're just going to be following this channel line goes. So let's take a look at the market caps. So right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance has come down. We're seeing the market cap at 2.24, guys, and we're seeing the volumes at 90 billion, guys. So it's picking up. The volumes are picking up. So let's take a look at the coins in the house. Biddy's down 1.76%, and that's at $46,946 in the house. And Ethereum is at 0.48, so Ethereum's kind of leading the pack a little bit. And it's just under 4K right now. It's at 39.36. BNB is slightly down. It's almost neutral right now. I see that. I think that's kind of neutral. And don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Leave a comment. Don't forget to super chats. And BNB is at 531. And Solana right now is down 2% to 177, right? ADA is down 125, 0.37. I'm not a buyer until it's below a buck, guys. And Avalanche is going nuts right now. It's 112. It's defying the markets right now. It's absolutely defying the markets. And we're seeing that Polkadot is down 2%. Luna's down just 0.5%. The Doja Woja right now is down 0.31%. You know, the Shiba Inu is taking a beating right now. Is at down 2.14%. Matic is defying the odds. It's up 3.69%. So we're seeing more red than green, but we are seeing some projects who are the outliers who are starting to make some moves. Mana's making a move. We can see that FTT token's making a move. Sand is making a move. So it looks like the metaverse gaming is actually on fire right now. So that's pretty good. Cake is on fire. I love Cake. Gala is down. Gala is taking a beating, guys. So let's take a look at the OG gaming portfolio in the house right now. This is not financial advice, just the OG expressing opinion. So right now today we picked up about 13.7K in the house, up almost 5%. So it looks like pretty good for gaming. And we're total profit right now. It's only 21.61K. I'd like to see this be a lot higher, guys. But we're up 52K, and we're at $292,000, so not $293. So we've been here before, guys and gals. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Do it right now, guys. We got 3,473 followers. Join the cool club. Join the cool gang, guys. Get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house, guys. And don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to give a super chat. All the Wifey's channel, you want it. She's got like 882 subscribers, guys. So go over there, follow the wife's channel, and don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We got tons of merch, guys. Check the merch. We got hats, mugs, backpacks, all sorts of cool stuff, guys. So check out the merch up with the OG, guys. Gear up with the OG, and don't forget to go down there, smash the likes one more time. I just want to say Merry Christmas. God bless you. Thank you for being here. I love you guys. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you later. Woo!